Just turn us up loud. Don't text and drive.
Energy Transit. Energy Radio.
Taka. Kwenda!
Oh yes, it's about that time we're event to you, our listener, about something that has hurt ourselves or straight pissed us off. Gotta get it off our chest. Who else better to tell than our lovely listener who's listening to us right about now? I go by the name Rita.
DJ Nish 254.
And okay, last night was a crazy night in my hood. So, niko bed, nimetulia. I'm sleeping, I'm next to my son. We're having a chilled night, okay? And then nasikia, woo! What is it with Kenyans, first of all? Naizi nduruza, woo! You can't just,
we. Cheki, unajua, ile nduru ya, hiyo inamaanisha, kuna mse amekubo. Lakini ya, woo! Hiyo unajua, kuna kitu inafanyika mtaani.
That's how I do. So mimi mtu ananyongwa, anapigwa ngeta. Good luck to you. Me, I'm in bed with my phone. Niko sawa.
Good luck to you, unapigwa ngeta.
As in, what am I supposed to do?
Come on, responsible neighbor.
Ifungwe dirisha. Wachana na hii.
Toka kwa nyumba yako, enda upigane na mwizi.
No. I ain't that girl. Sorry, it's not me. I'm not that neighbor. Anyway, so I decide, the dogs start barking, and I'm like, gosh, Connie, boy, man, you know what's going on? I was like, God, Kusha TC, Bobby, shut drop you. Okay, no, that's not what happened. So I look out my window and I see a huge fire. It's like, I don't know what happened. Somewhere it may catch fire. It's everywhere. There's smoke. It's going crazy up on Gong Road. I'm start shaking because I'm like, what the hell is going on? I'm dead, right? So I'm starting to tweet. I'm tagging all these.
Kwanza kabisa, ebu rewind. Ati hii moto ikikufikia.
Yeah, because you know.
Wewe unangoja ufikiwe na unatoka kwa nyumba yako utembee huko nje.
Okay. So I could see it. I'm seeing things are burning. Vitu zinaanguka. It just looked like
it was crazy.
Yeah. So I'm like, does 999 work in Kenya? So I'm like, okay, cool. 999. I'm talking. Wanaanza kuniuliza maswali za ujinga. I'm like, bro, people are burning. There's buildings burning down. You need to come now. Stop asking me. Just come to Racecourse. Ukikuja utaona hiyo moto iko hapo. And then she starts asking me, where are you watching? Where are you seeing it from? I'm like, why are you wasting time?
But you know, Rita, like they do that, I think sometimes because they get a lot of prank calls sometimes. Probably. So, like, hizo details.
Who would do a prank call for? That's illegal.
Even Stato, they do that sometimes. Yeah, when you call, like, they have to go through that procedure.
But I didn't like the procedure because me, I'm shaking at this point. I'm like, yeah, Racecourse. Who are you? Who are you calling? I'm like, I'm Yvonne. He's like, okay, sawa, kakata simu. I stood there watching the fire. 15 minutes. No word of a lie. I'm just like, what is going on with the Kenyan emergency? You can't call it emergency service.
Yeah.
Because you did not pull up as an emergency.
So to Kenya service.
Yeah, I mean, no. You know, I'm not even trying to throw shade, but I've lived in England, and the minute you call an ambulance, policeman, fire engine, it's there in no less than 5 minutes.
But you see, we all talk
about...
Kuna
traffic usiku.
But then we talk about disaster management, and people see it as a funny thing.
It's terrible.
Like at the end of the day, you know, even next to your house here, you're meant to have those...
A fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher.
Yes.
You're meant to have the
smoke
pipe.
Alarm.
Yeah, you get, like, you need all these things so that even when the fire brigade come in, ile maji waseme ati, oh, maji imeisha, hatuna maji. You're meant to you're meant to have those pumps.
Yeah.
Like, this is actually going out to all the landlords who are building cribs. Just make sure you have pumps outside that pump water, literally. So in the case there's emergency at any point in time, there's water. Wasifike alafu anze kuambia, oh, maji yetu imeisha, lazima tuende
refill. We need a fire blanket in all these buildings. We need a fire extinguisher, and we need the hose thing with water.
True.
Just in case of anything. So, come on, let's do better for the people then.
Taka.
Kwenda! Energy Transit. Energy Transit.
Here's what you missed.